Hello friends, in last video we discussed about the natural vegetation of India and Brazil. How the physiographical division of these two countries make an impact on the natural vegetation of these two countries and what type of natural vegetation that we found in India and Brazil. That we discussed in last video. Today we are making our attention towards the wildlife of these two countries. My friend, as you come to know the natural vegetation of the region, then automatically it is very easy to understand the wildlife of a particular region. And in last video, we discussed about the natural vegetation of India and Brazil. So it is quite easy to understand what type of wildlife generally we found in this region. So let us begin with Brazil. My friend, when we're talking about the Brazilian wildlife, we know that Brazil is the country in the world which has the highest variation in terms of wildlife. A great variation that we find in Brazil, particularly because of the Brazilian rainforest. Too many animals, insecticides and parasites are there. They are yet to know about the world, or we didn't know about them. So let us see, when you're talking about the wildlife of Brazil, there is a great variation, a great variety in the wildlife that we may find in the Brazil as well. It means, in simple way, we can say Brazil is the country in the world which has highest variation in terms of wildlife. Particularly, some important animals that we find in Brazil, they are in the swampy land of Pantanal. We may find one of the giant, biggest anacondas are there. Then in Brazil, in the Brazilian river, we may find crocodiles, alligators. In the dense forest, dense evergreen forest, we may find various types of monkeys, that tamarin, that is monkey, that we may find here in Brazil as well. Then pumas, leopards, they are in great number in Brazil. Then we can see various types of fishes, particularly in the ocean. We may find swordfish is a very important species of the fish that we may find in Brazil. Whereas in the river, we may find the pink dolphin and piranhas. Pink dolphin and the piranhas, we may find in Brazil only. After that, if you see the birds, there is a great variation in terms of bird as well. Particularly when we're talking about the Brazilian bird, Rufous bellied thrush. This is the national bird of Brazil. Rufous bellied thrush. And this national bird of Brazil is a very small bird. But not only this bird, but there is a large birds as well. For example, condor, which is a huge in size and that fly in the Brazilian rainforest as well. With condor, there are some other birds as well. Lots of number of peacock and the macaws and flamingo. Macau is the face of Brazilian wildlife as well. Various types of macaws, peacock, and the various types of flamingo that also we may found in the Brazilian forest as well. Then after that we can see millions of insecticides and that we may find. Variety of insecticides are also found in Brazil. The national animal of the Brazil is jaguar. That is also we may find in the Brazilian forest. So as a result, we can see Brazilian rainforest or Brazilian grasslands or Brazilian swampy lands. They are the home of lots of wild animals. Some of them, they are anacondas. They are found in the Pantanal. Then tamarin monkeys. They are found in the rainforest. Then macaws. They are found everywhere in Brazil. After that, we can see jaguar, the national animal of the Brazil. That also we found everywhere in this Brazilian rainforest. Various types of alligators, crocodiles. That is also one identity of the Brazilian wildlife as well. So these are a number of wildlife species that we may find in Brazil. But now in the 21st century, this wildlife having a certain problem. They are facing a great problem as well. The most important problem, we know that the degradation of the environment. Day by day, this Brazilian rainforest also facing the problem of environment. We all know that. And not only the environmental problem, but the human problems, that is illegal smuggling and the hunting of the wild animals. There is a large number of illegal smuggling and wild and hunting of the animals is practiced in Brazil from too many years. And so this is also one of the reasons that we can say the number of wild species is increasing in Brazil as well. Whereas the Brazilian rainforest is facing the problem of deforestation or the cutting of the trees. Every year, every year, uh, thousands and thousands square kilometer area is reducing. People using that area for getting the benefit of agriculture and the mining as well. So for that, for mining, for getting minerals or for agriculture purpose, that is the roca type of agriculture that we can see, people cutting down the trees and use that land for agriculture. So these purposes, the vegetation is decreasing day by day, and that direct impact is on the number of species of the wildlife that we can see in the Brazil. Pollution is also one of the reasons that we may find the wildlife of the Brazil is facing the problems. So there are too many problems, and because of that problems, many species are on verge of getting the extinct from the world as well. Now it is our duty to save the world. So these are the Brazilian wildlife that we can save. Plenty of variation that we may find in Brazil. Now, as like Brazil, if you are talking about the wildlife of India, India also having a number of species of wildlife in our forest. So let us move towards the Indian wildlife. My friend, as like climate, India also having a mega diversity in terms of wildlife. There is a great variation that we may find in wildlife as well. When we're talking about the wildlife of India, we know that in the hot and humid climatic zone of India, elephant, various number of elephants that we may find here, particularly in the state of Kerala, Maharashtra, some parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, and some parts of Assam, we may find the wild elephants. And these all wild elephants, they having their hot and humid climatic zone. Then, as we see in Assam, one-horned rhino is found in Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is the home of one-horned rhino, and that one-horned rhino also found in Assam. Whereas in the dry, whereas in the dry and arid zone, that we may find wild ass and camels. Generally, wild ass and camels, they are found in Kutch and Rajasthan. These two animals, they are the face of these wild, these arid climatic zone as well. After that, as we see the snow leopards. Snow leopards is also one of the very important animal that we found in India. And these snow leopards generally found in the state of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, particularly snow-capped area of Himalayan mountains, these snow leopards that we may find. And some other animals like Indian bison, deer, antelopes and monkeys, they are found on the peninsula region of India, particularly in the hot and dry area. We may find there are various types of monkeys, like Indian monkeys, then antelopes, then we can find deers and Indian bison as well. That is all we may find on the peninsula region of India. So there is a great variation in animals as well. In terms of birds as also, we may find uh, thousands of bird species in India, and that bird species flying in Indian zone as well. Peacock is the national bird of India, that also we may find here in the Indian territory. Whereas tiger is the national animal of India, and we may find tiger in West Bengal, some parts of Maharashtra, then Gujarat, and some parts of Madhya Pradesh as well. We may find the tigers. Now, just steadily, the number of tiger is increasing in India as well. That is a very good news for us as well. My friend, another characteristics of Indian wildlife, that India is the only country in the world where we may find lion and tiger. India is the only country in the world where you find these two animals, and that is lion and tiger, and that is one of the identity of India as well, or Indian wildlife. Uh, in terms of rivers or in terms of fishes, we may find rivers and estuaries, particularly in the eastern coast of India. And there also we may find many species of turtle, crocodiles, and the gharial. That is also we may find in plenty in number. Gangetic dolphin, that also one rarest species that we may find in India, and variety of birds that we can see: peacock, Indian bustard, kingfisher, pigeon, ducks. So these are plenty of birds, bird life that also we may find in India as well. So in all, we can say lots of animals and birds that we may find in India, and this presence of lots of birds and animals, these birds and animals make India a land of unique habitat for wildlife. Like Brazil, Indian wildlife also facing certain problems as well, and because of that, these wildlife are on the extent, on the verge of the extent as well. They are also reducing the number very fastly, very rapidly. But particularly, it is due to the pollution, then the deforestation, then another that is the hunting. These are some of the reasons behind it, that the wildlife of India also facing the problem as well. For example, the animal like cheetah is no more in India now. So we can see government is now understand the importance of the wildlife, and government taking some serious measures to control this situation. And so far that many wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and bird sanctuaries is established in India, and Indian government is giving full support to increase the number of wildlife as well. And as a result, we may find some positive effects as well, some positive results is coming, so that the number of that wild animals is increasing. Just I say the example of tiger, how we giving support for the tigers, and the number of the tiger is increasing in India now. So as we see, as we give the protection for the wildlife in India, the positive effects or the positive result is showing us that the number of wildlife is increasing in India in day by day. So these are the wildlife of India and Brazil. There is a great variation, both the country having a great variation in wildlife. For example, some animals they are found in particular these regions only. For example, Brazil. If you take the name of Brazil, anacondas, jaguar, macaw, these are some the faces of the Brazilian wildlife. Whereas India, when you take the name of India, India is the country, or India is the nation in which we find a lion, tiger, snow leopards, and then one-horned rhinos, camels. So this is the wildlife of India as well. So in this topic we discuss the two important factors, and they are the natural vegetation of these two countries, as well as the wildlife of India and Brazil as well. In next video, we are making our attention towards the next topic, and that is the population distribution of India and Brazil. Thank you.